Just 10 minutes to boost your energy, you guys. You don't need to spend hours in the gym to rev up your metabolism like we used to think back in the day. You remember those days you would go to the gym and, you would start at 9 a.m. and then 12, noon you'd be getting out? No, unless you want to stay hours in the gym, that is up to you. But as for me, no, don't want to do it. So today's 10-minute energy boost workout is quick. It is effective and it is designed to rev up your metabolism, get those engines going, you guys, speed up their heart rate while still being gentle on your joints. It is perfect for women over 50. It is perfect for my beginners. No equipment needed. You can do this at home. So you guys, no excuses. So without further ado, carve yourselves out a little space, get yourselves into some comfy clothes, get your water to stay hydrated, and let's move together. All right, you guys, step it out, left and right, and the arms follow. And of course, if you need to warm up, which you do need to warm up prior to any exercise that you do, check out my description, and of course, that playlist above. Proper form, make sure you keep these abdominal muscles engaged, pull back towards your spine to prevent injury. And lastly, breathe. And we're coming up to our first active break. Keep these legs moving, you guys. Okay, the next one we're going to be doing a right left elbow to right left knee. Get some oblique work in here. Okay, got it? Join in. Get side view. And when you come down, squeeze. I know it's quick, but squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. You got it. And of course, always remember, you can change the intensity and the speed of these exercises to make them work for you. Nice. Particularly if you're just starting out or you're returning to exercise, you haven't been here in a while, you want to ease back into it, okay? All right. Gonna step back, right, left, and then both arms up. Left, right, both arms. You got it. And then what I told you about, revving up this metabolism, you guys. Yeah, you can feel it. So can I. Last one. All right. Next up, some high knees, right, left. Firing up these core muscles even more. And if the arms are too much, just bring them down. Make it work for you. This is perfectly okay. All right. Deep breath in, you guys. Through your nose, out through your mouth. Low impact, jumping jack. Left and right. I think we are about 5 minutes in. And you guys, my body is sweating already. One more, left and right. Nice. And also remember, if you need a quick break to get some water, bring it down a little bit, please do exactly that. Okay, the beat has changed. Doing goalpost arms and then a press. Get some shoulder work in here. Full body is what it's all about today. And when you do this, give me some resistance. Last one. Excellent work. All right, the next one, if you have room, we're going to do a crab walk to the left and then to the right. Crab walk is when you lower your body. And you're putting all your weight on these thighs, you guys. You can definitely feel the difference. Definitely working on improving this bone density. Because as you already know, as we age, the loss accelerates. Adding these arms if you feel up to it. And return. Nice work. Stand it up. And we're going to get ready to work these thighs some more with a squat. Get ready for it. And when you come up, squeeze these glutes. And squeeze, yeah. Quads, hamstrings, and glutes being fired up. Nice work, you guys. Bring back that march. All right. If you've not yet been challenged, this is going to challenge you because we're doing a little jog with a punch. And if you need to, tap it, you guys. We're giving that punch. form check. You know how you fatigue. You know what happens? You tense those shoulders and you lose track of those abs. Abs in, shoulders relaxed. You know, I tell myself that every time I work out. Nice. And next up, some inner thighs. Get in position, feet turned out, down, 2, 3, and up. Basement, 1, 2, and 3. Basement, 1, 2, and 3. You got it. Nice. "15 seconds, you guys. We are in it to win it." Last one, stand it up, walk these feet in. Excellent work. High five, you guys. 10 minutes to boost your metabolism and your energy. And I know that you felt the effects of this efficient but doable 10-minute energy boost workout. I know I did. I've been exercising for years, you guys, and I felt all of that. Leave in the comments and let me know how you feel about it. And also let me know if you want to see more just like this, or for that matter, let me know what it is that you would like me to bring you here on this channel, because again, we are a community that is growing and thriving together. What's on your mind may be on somebody else's mind. So please do let the community know so that we can continue to grow and thrive together. Also remember, you guys, exercise is one part of the equation. Remember to stay hydrated throughout the day and eat high protein, nutrient-rich foods. I've got lots of suggestions in my description. Check out those links, and I'm sure there would be something there that you and your entire family will enjoy and benefit from. Having said that, you guys, if you know anyone that would benefit from what we are doing here on this channel, please do share this video, share my channel, and please do not forget to hit that subscribe button below, because it goes a long way in support of what we are doing here on this channel. Thank you, guys, and remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. Love you all, and I'll see you right here real soon. Time for that balance check, you guys. My heart rate is up there. Let's see what I can do today. You know what? Consistency, consistency, consistency is why I can do this. And you will be able to do the same thing. All right, you guys, love you. See you soon.